Sir, I thank you for giving me this
Please,
opportunity
Swapan Das Gupta.
to bring
Slip
to
भेज
bring to your
दीजिए.
notice a certain stalemate which has developed in West Bengal in relationship to Vishwabharati, which is the university, which is now a central university, which was founded by Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore. Sir, for the long time, since 1894 in fact, one of the main functions associated with Vishwabharati has been the organization of something called the Posh Mela, which is a fair which is undertaken during winter, which draws participation of large number of people in and around the place and has become an important facet of Bengal's cultural identity. Now, sir, over the past few years, the scope and scale of this fair has grown exponentially to the extent where lakhs and lakhs of people now come. And it has become more or less impossible for the university authorities to be able to handle it. After all, a university is not an event management issue. As a result, there have been a serious strictures against the university, against this whole thing by the National Green Tribunal, and the Vice-Chancellor in passing referred to this as saying, if this continues, I'll be spending the next year only going to the Green Tribunal rather than attending the affairs of the university. Sir, this is an important cultural institution of Bengal. It is a central university. The fair is held in the premises of Vishwabharati. Vishwabharati court has said, please divest us. We are no longer in a position to actually undertake responsibility for such an enormous event. Using your good offices, sir, and keeping in mind the fact that the Prime Minister is the Chancellor of the university, I would appeal to the central government. I see that the Minister of HRD and the Minister of Tribal Welfare are both here, and those have a direct bearing on the particular subject, to actually take over the organization of this Posh Mela and therefore save a very big institution, and at the same time keep the cultural heritage of the university intact, but without intruding onto the larger responsibilities of the university. We've already discussed this matter in the Sansad of Vishwabharati. The Executive Council too feels that the central government should undertake the responsibility. I would appeal to the relevant departments to please form some sort of a special purpose vehicle so that this fair can go on and this can be undertaken in a good, wholesome way by the centre. Thank you very much.
Hope the HRD Minister will take note of the same.